Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sherry Stalaby. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my knotless box braids on my clients. Her hair are freshly washed and blow dry. I did that. I'm also apologizing for the blurry because the camera is kind of blurry and dark. I know you can't see what I am doing properly, but I'm gonna do a next tutorial for you guys soon. And I'm also doing two clients here today. I'm gonna do a mohawk box braid as well. We will get into that shortly. Basically, I'm just gonna do her hair at a point, and when she's ready to stop and take care of the baby, I will also do my next client here. As you can see, there are two persons here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified.